I own a TV channel and I would like to replace advertising. What do I need?
To perform ad insertion or ad replacement on a linear TV stream, the presence of SCOTI35 markers in the stream is a necessary prerequisite. It is not strictly mandatory, but it will ensure the precision and quality of the insertion, especially if associated with a closed gap encoding. Those markers are usually inserted by an encoder and delimit the beginning and the end of an ad break.
I don't have SCOTI markers on my stream and I don't want to invest in a new encoding solution. Does it mean I can't do ad insertion?
At Enensys, we have a good news for you. Yes, you can perform ad insertion. We are fully aware that changing your encoding solution and putting in place a whole SCOTI integration chain is costly, time-consuming and hard to operate. That's why we have developed an easy-to-deploy and easy-to-use solution based on content detection. This software solution is called MediaCast Ads Reach. By precisely recognizing predefined and pre-stored video or image, the MediaCast Ads Reach is able to enrich the stream with state-of-the-art SCOTI triggers, thus unlocking content substitution and monetization capabilities.
I already have SCOTI35 markers delimiting my ad breaks, and in addition to the server-side substitution of the whole ad break, I would like to perform an additional client-side substitution for one spot in the middle of a new break. How can I do that?
If you want to perform client-side single-spot substitution, you will need to have all your spots marked with individual SCOTI35. Fortunately, Enensys Ad Splicer, called AdsEdge, is able to do that. Every spot that will be server-side inserted with the AdsEdge will be enriched with individual SCOTI35 markers. And we are talking about advanced SCOTI35 with time signal commands, giving flexibility and full control of client-side insertion, unleashing monetization capabilities, for example, on IPTV set-top boxes.
And what if the client-side insertion I wish to perform is for HbbTV? I've heard the markers used for this technology are not SCOTI35.
Indeed, markers used for HbbTV ad insertion are called stream events. They are slightly different from SCOTI35, but the principle is the same. Here again, no need to invest in costly automation chains and encoding solutions. Enensys MediaCast Ads Reach can do the job. It will convert existing SCOTI35 into HbbTV stream events and also create, personalize and insert the AIT, Application Information Table, into the stream.
So with Enensys all-in-one solution, I can free my mind from technical constraints and focus on monetization and value creation. Sounds good.
Well, you'd be surprised to see what all the innovations brought by Enensys can do for you. And at Enensys, we would be glad to show you. Did I mention our Stream Probe monitoring solution for SCOTI and ad insertion? Did I tell you about our CubeAgent solution for client-side insertion? And did you hear about our brand new StarStream innovation for streaming multi-screen over satellite? Don't wait 1 more minute and request your demo.